guys, welcome back to my channel. So tomorrow is the 4th of July, so I thought it would be fun to create a makeup look that would be perfect for 4th of July. And I also wanted to make a look that would work for everybody, so I decided to actually make two looks. So I'll have one bold look and one more neutral look. That will be perfect and fun and festive for anything you're doing on the 4th of July. So if you would like to see the two looks I've created for 4th of July, then keep on watching. Okay, so I want to apologize in advance because I have no single palette that has every color I want in it, so I'm going to be kind of all over the place with palettes, but you'll get the idea, and hopefully you guys have these colors lying around as well. I have my face makeup on, my brows on, and my eyes primed, and I'm ready to just jump right into the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start out with the Main Squeeze palette from ColourPop. I'm going to start out here with the shade Seed Money and just go ahead and place that in my crease. And I'm just blending that super well to create kind of a transition shade. So now for the main lid color, I want to go in with the shade Like It's Hot, which is the pressed pigment. So I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and just try to pack that on. And now I feel like this needs a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to go ahead and take Red Bottoms and place that on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm just taking this glitter from the Pure Festival palette. This is the shade Fireworks, and I'm just going to place that in the inner corner of the crease. So next I'm going to dip into the Chasing Rainbows palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to go into this blue shade right here. This one is called Bring It, and I'm going to take a flat brush and place that on my lower lash line. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is go ahead and take the shade Wiggles right here and just use that to blend out everything. And then I'm just going to take my Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in the shade Fishnet and go ahead and line my tight line. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and finish off with some mascara, and I'm using the Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. Alright, and then of course for lips, I have to go in with a red lip for 4th of July. So I'm going to start out by going with the Smashbox Always Sharp Lip Liner in the shade Crimson. And then I'm going in with the best red lipstick shade that I've ever found. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Boss. Okay, so here is the finished bold makeup look. So I am back and ready for the second look, and I have determined that it probably would have been smarter for me to start with the neutral look because the bold look was really difficult to get off, and now I have glitter all over my face and my eyelids and my lips are stained. We're just going to ignore that and go right on into the neutral look. So just like before, I have my face makeup on, my brows on, and my eyelids primed, so I'm ready to go right into the eyeshadow. So I think I want to try to use the same palette as before. I want to try to not use any more palettes, so I'm just going to go in with the Chasing Rainbows palette again. I'm just going to take the shade Wiggles once again and just use that as a base for my entire eyelid. Then I'm just going to go in with the shade Feeling It right here, just a neutral brown shade here, and just go ahead and place that in the crease and bring it down to the outer corner as well. And then I'm just going to take a small brush and the same shade and place that underneath my lower lash line. Okay. Much more simple this time. Now I'm going to go in with the same white eyeliner. This is the ColourPop liquid liner in the shade Graceland, and just do a winged liner with that. wanted to keep the ends white still, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That way if I leave the ends white, it's still light towards the outer corners, so it's a lot more neutral. So I'm gonna go in with this little angled brush, my brand new setting spray. This is my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that. I'm gonna spray this angled brush. And then I'm going to dip into the Main Squeeze palette into the shade Like It's Hot, and I'm going to place that on the inner third of this white winged liner. Kind of like, I took it out to like right where my pupil is. Okay, and now I think I'm just gonna wipe off this brush and use the same one. And now I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the blue from the Chasing Rainbows palette right here. And I'm just going to do the same thing, just a little bit further in. So I'm wetting my brush here. Stop where the wing starts to thicken. Try to blend each transition together really well. I'm going to dip back into the red with the blue still on the brush a little bit and kind of try to blend those together. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do eye mascara. I'm going to go ahead and do mascara. My Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. And then of course you could go in with a red lipstick again, but I want to make it even more subtle and natural. And I'm just going to go in with a nude lipstick. So I'm going in with my Tarteist lip paint in the shade Exposed. Alright, so here is the second makeup look. And that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really enjoyed getting to do some festive makeup looks, and I really like how they both turned out, especially this one. I feel like this one's definitely more my style. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Also, be sure to leave me a comment below letting me know what you guys are doing for 4th of July. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, and now I feel like the look leads. And then I'm going in with the best red.